Hey everyone, how's it going? So today I'm gonna show you how to remove and change your wiper blade and install a brand new one. So in this case I'm gonna remove this old 4-point wiper blade and install a aero blade. Today aero blades are better and widely used today. So let's get started. Actually this is a very simple process, but still some people doesn't know it. So here's how to do it. So first there's a small pin over here which you need to press before you can release this blade. So keep that in mind. Let's get started. Loosen it up like this, and then it's just removed. Just can take it out. And the new one is a little bit different. You need to open this cap first of all and press this. The rest is simple, just same as before, just go through this and you can just pull it to get secure and just clip it in place. And it's done. It's how you're gonna install the wiper blades, and it's quite simple. And if you like this video, please drop a like and subscribe. Also share with your friends. Thank you.